Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Webex Control Hub, detailed guide step by step clearly. To access the Webex Control Hub, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in admin.webex.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Webex Control Hub login page. Locate the fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may see an option for it. If prompted, click the Sign In with Single Sign-On button. For those using standard login, click the Sign In button. After clicking, wait for the page to load. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Control Hub dashboard. In case of an incorrect password or username, an error message will appear. Review your credentials and re-enter them if needed. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After successful login, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the various options available on the Control Hub for managing your Webex experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.